We'll be going over silver futures. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1-hour chart. We remain in negative MACD, and we have yet to test the 200 moving average, this green line, as our temporary support at a price of $25.91. As with the 4-hour chart, we still remain in positive MACD, but we're approaching to negative MACD territory. As with the daily chart, we have now reached to positive MACD, and we're still resting right along the 9 moving average, this blue line. As for the trade idea, I'll be trading SLV, and my position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $23.16, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $24.34, and my stop loss is at $22.98. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $25.12, and that is this range there. My sell target is at $23.36, and my stop loss is at $25.32. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that will be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, silver futures has a 20% chance to climb between 0 to 4%. To the downside has a 60% chance to fall between 0 to negative 4%, and a 20% chance to fall between negative 4 to negative 8%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.